Hey there. Are you struggling to get your Elgato Camlink 4K working seamlessly? This week, I've got a comprehensive guide on how to fix no video signal on Elgato Camlink 4K. Discover practical steps to resolve this issue and get back to streaming without a hitch. Step 1. Check your connection. The first step in resolving a no video signal is to ensure all your connections are secure. Start by verifying that your HDMI cables are correctly plugged into both your camera and the Camlink 4K. Double check to ensure there are no loose connections and that the cables are in good condition. Additionally, confirm that your camera is powered on and outputting video. Some cameras require changing to a video mode or enabling external video output to send the signal through HDMI. Step 2. Update your software. Keeping your software up to date is crucial for the optimal performance of your Elgato Camlink. Begin by updating your computer's operating system and any relevant software such as video drivers. Visit Elgato's official website to download the latest version of their software and drivers specific to the Camlink 4K. Once downloaded, follow the installation instructions carefully. Updating software can often resolve compatibility issues that may interfere with the video signal. Step 3. Check camera settings. Sometimes the problem might stem from your camera's settings. Ensure that your camera is set to output a clean HDMI signal without displaying any on-screen information like battery levels and recording status that might interfere with the capture process. Additionally, make sure your camera is set to the appropriate resolution and frame rate. The Elgato Camlink 4K supports up to 4K at 30 frames per second or 1080p at 60 frames per second, so adjust your camera settings accordingly to match these outputs. Step 4. Adjust USB port and cable. Elgato Camlink 4K's compatibility can sometimes depend on the USB port being used. Try connecting the Camlink 4K to a different USB port on your computer, preferably a USB 3.0 port. USB 3.0 ports are typically faster and can handle video data from the Camlink 4K more efficiently. Using a high-quality USB extension cable can also help if needed, but ensure the cable is capable of maintaining the high data transfer rates required. Step 5. Troubleshoot with another device. If the issue persists, attempting to use the Elgato Camlink 4K with another device or another computer can help identify whether the problem is with the device itself or something else. Connect another camera or HDMI source to the Camlink 4K to see if it captures the signal. Similarly, try using a different computer to check if the problem lies with your setup or the hardware itself. This process of elimination can be an effective troubleshooting method. With these steps, you're well on your way to fixing the no video signal issue on your Elgato Camlink 4K. Whether it's checking connections, updating software, adjusting camera settings, or trying different USB ports, each method addresses potential roadblocks in capturing a clear video signal. Remember, patience and methodical troubleshooting can go a long way. By following this guide, you'll ensure your Camlink 4K is ready for high-quality streaming and recording. Enjoy the seamless and vibrant video capture experience.